So this is the continuation of place of extend directive. So I'm just going to discuss about enter placeholder selectors, and placeholder selectors were introduced to solve these extra problems that they are very similar with classes, but all we do is replace the period, which is the dot, and with a percentage character where we're going to do this. So I'm going to show you how we're going to do this and extend these placeholder selectors inside our classes where we're going to design. So what I'm going to do, I'll just use this button here and I'm going to design I'm going to style the primary button and the main button and the warning button. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create these here. So I'm just going to call it a button. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to give it a height of 50 pixel, then width 120 pixel. So I'll just make it to be a bit wide. So then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to say color white, then let's say like B4. Okay, no B4, let's say focus and also active. So I'll be fast about this, so I'll just do the coding.